Hi people, this is Nery again. Okay, what am I doing? You're probably wondering. Oh, where's the big one? Hold on, I forgot where the mixture is. Here goes the mixture. I'm trying not to show, the companies or anything like that. Except this one, because of course, if you're gonna buy it, you gotta need to know what I'm talking about. Lipiol is a product that they, in the old times, I heard that they use this for clothing and washing dishes. This is what I use in Maria. It lasts me a long time, 98 cents, so it's pretty good. So what do I do? Okay, I'm gonna show you what I have here. Okay, is these. These are what this is. I'm cutting up in small pieces. This one I'm going to leave for the next batch because this will be thick enough. But so it could have a clear look like this, I buy a regular, your favorite dishwashing liquid. You add a little bit of water, you add some of this, and you add your favorite dishwasher. So you do that and it comes out nice and thick. And you have, like you can see, it's thick. And I have to do that in this one because this one is real watery, as you can see. So I have to finish that one, but I had to buy this ingredients first. So what you do, you chop it in little pieces. You put it in here. You mix it up good. It's gonna take like a day or two to actually, how you call it, become a cream. Like a cream. Oh, oops, I dropped something, I don't know what. But anyway, but it's like a cream. And then you just add some here, some water, and your favorite dishwashing liquid. You put some there too. And it will come out clear like this. You see, it's thick and it's clear. And nobody would notice what you got in here. Here it looks a little different because it got more of this than, how you call it, the dishwashing liquid, which I'm gonna fix it later on. It's nice and thick. I'm gonna wash dishes, and the rest, whatever's left over, I will add a little more water or detergent. So I just want to show you this. A lot of people say, man, why are you always economizing? And like I tell my daughter, you should learn how to do these kind of things. Why? Puerto Rico is an island. You never know what could happen. For Maria, I bought this. I bought a couple of things that I think that I could stretch it out. Like that. That's a filter, water filter. And we received the water around 2 weeks down the road. I had enough water picked up, because when summer comes, I start getting the milk carton and start putting it away. Why? Because I filled them up. As you can see right there, there goes one of them. I gotta wash it because I used it for juice. And how call it? And I filled those up of water, fresh water. And I put them in the refrigerator. If I wanna, like I use these little package of it's like a Kool-Aid thing. So I have the water frozen already, cool, nice and cold. Dump it in there, shake it a little bit, and I already got juice. See, it's a way of working easier. That's what I do with the garlic. Chop it all up. Mince it. Sofrito, do the same thing. Why would I cut peppers, onions, garlic, this, that, every single day when I need it? No. I just blend it in the blender, fix it all good, and it's delicious. A lot of corianders. Since I got a lot of corianders, I just found some more corianders right behind this window. There's more corianders, stacks of them. And I took a couple of them and put them in my raised bed because it's much easier for me to get it there. I would have to ask somebody to go and get it for me. So I also made a canister with seeds, waiting for it to grow. The ones that are in the container in front of the house, my balcony, in front of the balcony. So those, I put some and they are starting to grow. And it's looking beautiful because Now it's getting summertime, so you know they're getting more prettier. Plus, I found an easier way to water them, and it's these container of milk. I take the top, make a couple of holes, fill it up with water, the half a gallon, and I just squeeze it, and it wets all that out, and I don't have to take the fence that I have there or anything. I could just do it from there with the fence there and everything. And it also helps out for the lizards. The lizards, they love going there and drinking from the, from the rail thing. They start drinking water there, and they like it. So I have done a couple of things which I'll be showing maybe tomorrow. I haven't been able to do the videos because it's a lot. It's a lot. I'm looking for so much space, And I transplanted my, my avocado. I transplanted my soursop, the baby one. So I got 2 soursop. I plan to take out the one that is in front of the house. I want to put it somewhere else, to make sure that it doesn't hurt the house, because they have strong roots. So, and I also have my tomato. They already have like the little thing, like to make turn into a flower, which is good. And I could also wet them the same way because they're right next to each other. So I just spread it there, or I could go outside, put the hose and water them from there. It all depends on what mood I am. If I don't feel like going outside, I do it that way, and without the hose. But if I'm in the mood to go outside, I also go outside and wet it up. But the main thing I want to show you is people could save money. Yes, if you're tight, don't be tighter. If you're tight, don't be wasting money in buying things that you could do it much easier. This way, I have 4 of these bottles. I got the original one, that I bought. It was for I think $2, something like that. So I bought them, and there's one that I haven't taken out because I haven't used it. Yes, I haven't mixed it yet. So I'm leaving that alone. These are the only ones that are mixed, these 3. Plus, I'm fixing this one. I will fill it up to the top, so it could be a little watery, and they could, get thicker. It will get thicker as it starts starts melting. So I just, I know what fell back there. It was the soap. Because I only took half of the soap and crumbled it up in here, and now I'm going to put it in there, and the other one fell over there. But it's okay because I'm not going to use it now either way. But I'll be taking it out of there because I want it for it to get dry. And that will be for when this finish, I'll be doing the same thing again. As you can see, it's divided because there's still particles. But every day I'll be shaking it, and within 3 to 4 days, it should have enough. But you can always use it this way either way, You shake it, you put it in the bottle, with like I said, with your favorite detergent and a little bit of water, and it will save you lots of money. Believe me. I have these 3 that I bought. These 4. It was 4. These 4. It's been like, I think, over 3 weeks. These little bottles. It's gonna be a month already. So, and they're still full. All of them. They're still full. So that's how you do it. We also bought this adobo. It stacked a big giant adobo. Let me show you. Hold on. I got it right here somewhere. Okay, here. This one, this big one. This is, you can't see where it's up to, but it's around up to here. And it's been also a month. This is when we did grocery. We bought these for $2, I think it was, and we bought this. I don't know if it was for $2 or for $3, something like that. This one is a giant. It's still full, and I have it. I don't have it right here. I think I left it over there. I put half of this, even though it's up to here. I haven't used that in the whole month. It's like up to here. If I put what I have over there, I put it back in the other can, because I have a small one like this. I filled it up, so it won't be hard to be carrying this. So this is the one that I like. And this is the one I always buy. I always say, you get me that one. I don't want another one. So, I think it was on special for $2.50, I think it was. It's worth it because normally that's what would cost you a small one. And they had this big one. I said, take it big. Let's take it big because this is going to last a long, long time. You know, and it has. It's been over a month and it's still like you shake it or something. I don't know. It keeps growing instead of wasting. Well, I also think that that's the power of God helping us out. So saying this, I just want to give you an update. Tomorrow I'm going to see if I do an update on my plants. I bought the dirt already. And I've been transplanting and doing new things and changing everything because I'm planning to get new plants. And how you call it? I thought it was sent out. It hadn't been sent out, so pretty soon they're gonna be sent out so I could get my seeds. So saying this, God bless you all. Until next time, bye bye.